Today's topic is the white peacock bird information. White peacock are not albinos. Albino animals and birds have a complete lack of color and red or pink eyes. White peafowl have blue eyes. The white color appears in other domestically bred peafowl but in different quantities. Chicks are born yellow and become white as they mature. A wide variety of color patterns have appeared in peafowl bred in captivity. They include the white and the pied white, which is a combination of white and the usual Indian blue colors. The black-shouldered pied, where the coloration is normal except of white underparts, wings and spots under the chin, and the black-shouldered peahen, which is white sprinkled with black spots. They are usually tame birds, although exceptional individuals handled with care of all their lives may be more tame, at least tolerant. They will try to escape from pens, back at a kick anyone that tries to touch them. Male peacock of any color pattern have extremely loud burrowing call that can heard from miles. Peafowl of any color can fly. When white peacock are bred to white peahens, all of their chicks will be white. White peafowl also contain the genes of black shoulder and pied color pattern. If the mated to different color birds, the result will be wide variety of colors in the chicks. Peacocks bred with a harem of up to 5 peahens. Peafowl generally live somewhere between 10 and 20 years in the wild, whereas in captivity they have been peafowl reported to have lived up to 50 years. Peahens usually lay what is called a clutch of about 6 eggs, incubating them of nearly a month before they hatch. Chicks are able to fly for short distance only 3 days after they are hatched. Best situated to rural areas, peafowl are free-roaming birds. They require room to range. They are kept as yard birds, free to roam within their territory. Peafowl can fly, so their wings must be clipped regularly. Peafowl prefer to live in areas with access to low trees and plants for food and shade. Peafowl thrive best in warmer climates. Today, people keep and breed peafowl for a profit or for a hobby. Some pet peacocks live in backyard while others are offered spacious farm-like surroundings. Peafowl need a place to root at night, filled with sticks and straws. Most shelters of peafowl are simple four-sided structure with a roof. Peacocks, just the males, are famous for their screeching calls. The extent of a specimen courtship calling depends on the peacock age and species, the time of the year, the number of peahens nearby, and localized ambient noise. Mating season, the time when they come into voice, starts between August and September. Peacock breed from voice and around December or January. If you want your peafowl to reproduce, keep one male and no number of fewer than 3 unrelated peahens. Once inbred female will lay 3 to 5 eggs in 21 to 28 days. Peafowl are omnivores. They feed on a flesh and vegetative fare, grain in their staple, but their diet includes fruits, seeds, plants, insects, fish, small reptiles, and the amphibians. Some peafowl owners cultivate seeds, green carrots, and alfalfa for their birds. Make sure your peafowl have a fresh water of all times. Peafowl are hardy birds with lifespan 15 to 25 years. Peafowl are subject to disease including blutism, cholera, avian tuberculosis, crop toe, Newcastle disease, and eye infection. Check your peafowl regularly from worms. Thanks and subscribe Zoomania.